Hello, and welcome to our last day of our first week. Let's see how we get here. So remember, you go to Welcome to Fall Semester, then week 1, day 4, Friday, September 10th. Keep calm, you survived the first week of class. First, you'll watch this video. Then, we have class together. We'll go to synchronous. Okay, we will do a sorting and categorizing activity. We will do a review of a speaking rubric, and we will critique a video of a former student to see English language progression in speaking. Okay, so that's what we'll do today. Then, that is for synchronous. For asynchronous, you do have homework. Remember, every day you are going to evaluate. So we're going to watch a video in class of a student who was in level 6 and is now in advanced English. And we will talk about her video. And then you guys will watch the video again and you will be able to make your assessment of her. Okay, so you will do each skill. Each skill, do you think was she difficult to understand? Could you understand most of what she was saying? Or was she excellent? And you'll give each piece, okay, of the skill, what you rate her. Room for improvement, good, or excellent. Here's the video here. To access it, you click on the link and it should take you. If it does not take you here and it's asking you to sign in, please do so using your Carlos Rosario email. And that's it for our day 4 first week. If you have any questions, you know what to do. Good luck and have a great weekend. See you on Monday.